Reveal smooth, radiant, youthful-looking skin. Introducing HempWorks Botanical Face Mask. Featuring a powerful blend of beautifying plant extracts and premium CBD oil, this unique face mask reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and blemishes. Pure plant extracts of green tea, chamomile, licorice root, rosemary, gotu kola, and CBD oil combine to deliver beautifying benefits. HempWorks Botanical Face Mask provides a luxurious spa experience that you can enjoy anytime in the comfort of your own home. For best results, wash your face and apply toner before use. Unfold mask completely, then remove the protective mesh from one side. Place the gel side over the entire face, contouring it around all areas. Once securely on the face, remove the second layer of protective mesh and adjust as needed. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes while enjoying the soothing scents of pure plant extracts. Remove the mask and massage the essence into the skin of your face and neck. Use 3 to 5 times per week to promote a glowing, radiant complexion. Available with and without CBD oil, HempWorks Botanical Face Mask reveals a smooth, glowing complexion that gets noticed.